Man, this air conditioning is nice. Well, folks, I did it. This is my new 2025 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 NorthStar Ultimate. The name's like this long. I don't know how they leave it to Polaris to make things complicated. Here on K6 Outdoors, we do a lot of fun things, and I thought this would be a good way to do even more outside things. Do some trail riding, take you guys on some adventures, do some upgrades, and share our story on our Polaris side-by-side, UTV, whatever you want to call it. Probably at some point here in the near future, I will share with you guys how I ended up in this rig. I was looking at all sorts of different things, but I had two things I had to keep in mind. I got a family of 5, so we all got to fit in something. And here in Iowa, we don't have a ton of normal UTV trails. We have a lot of gravel roads. Basically, you can get anywhere in a square mile by traveling gravel. So we wanted something that would be dust tight to keep everybody from being, miserable, just be honest. And the HVAC system is just an added plus to that, right? Let's take a look at the thing. There's probably other videos like this out here, but hey, I'm gonna step you guys through this specific unit, show you the outsides, the insides, everything I know about it so far. We'll go on a short cruise and go from there. So this is the Polaris Ranger XP 1000 NorthStar Ultimate Edition. We got the nice doors here on the front and back. We got the 29-inch tires on the 14-inch wheels here. Got the nice dump bed. Just pop the old handle. Shield. Gives us access to that, well, just shy of 1,000 cc Polaris 2-cylinder engine. Go ahead and put this back down quick. Walk around the back here. NorthStar badging. We got this temporarily mounted on here. Here in Iowa, it's required to have those little orange triangles. We've got that mounted there for now, just on a 1x4, but we are going to move that in the future. And what I mean by future is we're going to make some type of mount that I can 3D print and drop down in these holes. Got the nice tailgate here with the beverage holders on each side. We got the 2-inch receiver hitch here on the bottom. Adjustable shocks here if you choose to do so. You just rotate those around. Left side we have the old fuel fill. And that on the front we have the nice LED lights, which I'll turn on here in a second. This comes with the winch. Polaris winch with the wireless remote inside. That's nice. We also got the nice bumper here. We'll add some turn signals here in the future. That'll be a future project. On the front, we got the nice, on the front we got some protection for the front CV shafts. So yeah, tip out windshield, which I'll show you that here in a second. We'll open that up here like so. So as you can see, it goes up like that. And we can bring it down, lock it in this first position if we want to vent here on the, to get some air through the cab, The nice doors open well, and they do open all the way, technically. You can see these ones have a nice wide opening range. The strap stops it up here. Same thing on the back. It's got the same strap that stops it. Technically, you can fold it all the way open, so it's not in the way at all. You have direct access into the unit. Pretty sweet. Definitely like the setup. I know some people have mixed feelings on these straps, and there are some other alternatives available, but for now, we're just gonna leave it as is. You can see the nice tight seal around the door here to help keep all the moisture out and dust if you're doing any gravel travel. This does have the newer premium gasket on it, which was new in the 25 model. A lot bigger, seals off much better around the cab. So far, with what we've done, we haven't got any dust in here. We're gonna try it out here soon. This one does come with the wireless remote for the front winch, so you don't have to be corded to anything, and you can work from a distance. So inside the unit here, we have the door latch, or door opening device. Just push down and it opens. We got the power front windows for the left and the right over here. You know, they're not super fast and not super slow. I think they're about right. This one comes with the rear view mirror and the overhead bright LED light. That's really bright. We've got a glove compartment here, top bottom. Cup holder over here. And we've got vents all across the front, which are adjustable. We do have some up on top here for the defrost if needed. Holder on this side. Down below, we've got another couple vents on the bottom and some other storage. And the JBL system tied to the iCommand here. Super sweet setup with all the different controls. We're not going to get into everything this can do now, but you've got maps, you've got music, you've got the different gauge clusters you can choose from. And you can see everything that's happening here on the screen. Adjust your volumes. This place for extra rocker switches here, your generic performance standard and work mode, and your wiper on the front. We have the turf mode, the two-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive, the different fan selections. Right now we're running on one. And honestly, pretty impressive because it's currently 85 degrees outside. And it feels absolutely amazing in here. Temperature feels great. I'm not sure what they did on this 25 model, maybe adding insulation or a bigger fan, but it's keeping up pretty good. There are vents in the back as well. So let's and we have on the passenger side, there's an OMG handle. It'd be kind of neat to see them have some type of performance handle in the front, but this is a utility side by side. Nice cushy seats with some sides to help keep you retained from moving around. Seat buckles in the front because this is a bench. Side you can lift up here with some more storage. You have access to more stuff down below as well, to your vents to the back and other drivetrain stuff. Folds right back down. Now when we hop in the back, similar situation. We've got the seat belts on the bench, just like the bench in the front back here. Cup holders. This seat also folds up to give you access to the air filter, and you can put in a 5-gallon bucket down below. Here in the back, they do have the hey, hold on for dear life bar, and then you have the ability to put more stuff in the back here, like speakers and such. Really nice interior. I really like it. Premium quality. Down here in the back, we do have vents for the rear people to get heat and cooling, and some pass-through stuff here on the side. If you want to put some longer devices across there, you can. The back is not power windows, which is probably a good thing. My kids can't do it, but they're just the old, you know, traditional crank windows, which I have no problem with personally. Like I mentioned on this side, this is where you can put your extra speakers as well, but you can see there's a, kind of show you an outline for a 5-gallon bucket. There's plenty of room back here to put things, as you know, out of the way, is what I'm trying to get at. Nice insulation here on the back to help keep noise down and keep the temperature controlled inside the cab. Couldn't be happier with the purchase so far. We'll have to see how this all holds out, but so far, so good. One thing specific with this new 25, 26 models, the shifter is much easier. You can just push it. No effort at all. Really easy. There's the lights that are on, and then here's high beam. We got low and high beam inside the cab here. So we've covered the basics of this unit. So let's go on a short cruise down some gravel roads and have some fun. Loading the crew up in here. Up in here. Come on, hop up in. We got the whole crew loaded up in the back. Annabelle's buckling in. Got the wifey over here on the right side trying to figure out how to run the seatbelt. And we're ready to go for a ride. All right, just going around cruising. See, we're going about 25 miles an hour, get the idea. We can have a nice conversation. It's not too loud. Is it too loud back there, girls? It's a nice little cruise. Engine's doing awesome. An idea, we're sitting around 5,000 RPMs at 30 miles an hour. Here in Iowa, the maximum speed limit's 35 legally. You know, these are technically still slow-moving vehicles. We have all this beautiful landscape to walk at as we go. It's gonna rain, we might even get a little wet. Test out the windshield wiper. 15 miles in, she's running like a champ. Beautiful night for this. It's kind of hot, but hey, that's all right. So I've got the cab. video of me driving. Just to give you an idea of the sound. No dust coming in the cab. We're going down a really dusty gravel road. Everything is kosher in this cab on this Ranger. Absolutely loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's short video. Let me know if you have any questions. Put some stuff down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Let's put this thing away for now, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. We'll see ya.